Mr. Artist, thank you. Yeah, that's all set.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, look at this. I know. So when you come to South America, the sun doesn't come up, and then you sleep for 2.5 hours, and you get on a tiny plane and you go to
Cusco.
a big mountain,
It's Cusco.
Machu Picchu.
It was the capital of the Incan Empire. 2.5 hours of sleep.
Welcome to South America. All right, welcome to South America. We're in Peru. We're here in front of Monky Auto Detailing. I want to show you guys the difference. We get to see a lot of US detailers and how they do things. Let's see how they do things in other countries. Come on in. All right, welcome to Monky Auto Detailing. This is one shop of 3 that is here in Peru. We're gonna visit all 3 of them and show you guys the differences between what they do here, what they would do in America. Check out, this is the first one. What kind of a plug is this?
210, boy.
210?
Real power.
All right, this is number 1. This is their biggest shop. Avero here owns the shop. We'll talk to him and we'll go through all the differences. This is really cool, guys. I can't wait to show you this. Let's check out what they got going on. Hola. Nasty?
But look, man, like it's just crazy.
Yeah.
It just gets so dirty. He does a ton of undercoating. Yep.
Yeah? You roll it on or?
No, it's great.
Oh, wow. Alvaro. Hola, amigo.
Hi.
We're here with Alvaro, the owner of Monky Auto Detailing. Is this number 1 shop or number 2 or number 3?
Number 3.
This is the 3rd one, so this is the newest shop.
This is the new one, yeah.
That's awesome. What kind of services do you do here mainly?
Well, we do here ceramic coatings, window tinting, interior, maybe paint.
Undercarriage? You do like
Undercoat, yeah.
undercoating? Okay.
Yeah.
Undercoating. This is really cool, man. When did you start Monky Auto Detailing?
Well, we start in 2015.
2015?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now we have six years in the market.
Years.
Yeah.
3 shops. How many employees?
We are at now 21.
Okay.
Yeah. And the idea is keep growing. I don't know, maybe a new shop.
Yeah. Is detailing popular? Like who gets their cars detailed in Peru? Because, you know, driving around, there's a ton of different cars here and everything. And you come into your shop and there are a lot different cars in here versus what I'm seeing out on the street.
Yeah, we make all the brands, all the makes. I mean, you can see a McLaren here, GTR, Mazdas, Kias. We don't have especially in brands or something like that.
That's awesome, man. You want to give us maybe a little tour and show
Let's
us around
go.
a little bit?
Okay, this is the interior area. So
Okay.
we here make interior clean. So,
Okay.
this area is paint correction and ceramic coatings.
I love the light setup, That's perfect. And you go in there and you got lights on the bottom. You got, I mean, you almost don't need handheld lights with a bay like that.
We have 200 lights here. Yeah. So any detail, it's covered.
Yeah. How many coatings are you doing a week here?
A week, 30.
30.
Yep.
30 coatings.
30 coatings.
Holy crap. And that's all 3 shops.
All 3 shops.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. That's killer, man.
Yeah. So here we have the washing area. Yeah.
Who's that?
A new employee, a rookie.
A rookie guy? Just started, huh?
Yeah.
So, okay, wash bay.
Yeah. And this is the undercoat area.
Okay, undercoating bay.
Yeah, undercoating
This is
bay.
crazy. There's no ceilings.
Because we have an elevator there.
Oh, you have a lift here?
Yeah, a lift.
Okay.
So we can wash and then undercoat the grease and undercoat the chassis.
Okay. That's killer, man. What's the weather like here? I mean, it's mostly, you don't get snow. I mean, it doesn't get cold.
No. Yeah. We have just two
seasons?
2 seasons.
Yeah.
Spring and summer.
Spring and summer. Yeah.
We don't need
So you don't need a roof.
cover, yeah.
It's good. That's awesome, man. More interior bays or?
Yeah, interior base. Maybe if we have to disarm, I don't know how to say in English, desarmar.
Okay.
Remove pieces.
Okay.
I maybe remove wheels or something.
Yeah.
This is the waiting area.
Okay. Because that's the first difference that I noticed is that you're taking seats out of cars
Yeah.
to do interiors. And that's normal here.
That's normal. It's
Every
a rule.
interior, it's a rule.
Yeah, it's a rule.
Wow.
Everything interior, except McLaren, Porsche, we don't remove that. That's it.
Okay.
If it's necessary, yeah, but
Okay. And that's because a lot of dust.
yeah,
Okay.
it's the main reason. Yeah,
Is this the biggest of all 3 shops?
yeah, the biggest.
Okay. Are we gonna get to do like an interior detail together?
Yeah, why not?
All right, cool. All right, shop number 1. We're gonna go check out the other 2 shops and show you guys some more stuff. All right, only a couple miles down the road and Monkey number 2. Or number 1,
This was Monky 1,
original Monkey.
where we trained in 2019.
Oh, this is okay.
This is original Monky.
It's all coming together. Monkey number 1. So do you do a lot of work out of this one still? Training? Okay. So Monkey training facility, that was what they're turning this into. Original shop here. Oh, very nice. Gross. Oh, very nice.
Let's go flat top. Got it right. They got it's haircut copper. Sport clips.
All right, next shop. Where are we going?
Monkey Trace.
Well, this is a great location. Look right here. They got Bentley, Porsche, Lamborghini, Volkswagen, all right across the street. Audi, Monkey Trace.
So tell them about the profits.
No, this Monkey is the garage, the shop
Yeah.
that have best profits.
Most
So,
profit right
yeah.
here.
So this is mine.
This is yours?
He's gonna switch the cars, and we'll bring the Kia here,
Yeah.
and then he's gonna teach you a Monkey interior.
Okay. Alvaro, I see like stickers on every single car. What is that?
It is a brand of the
Window tint film?
Yeah.
Okay, so like all the window tints, they put the sticker on for the brand?
Yeah, the brand, the shop or the brand.
Okay, that's cool. I saw some like have like security film. Is security film a big thing here?
Yeah, we use more security than
Window tint?
window tint.
So more security film than actual tint. Are you about to show us like what an average interior, and that's weird for us to think like, because taking out seats is usually extra, but it's normal here.
Yeah, for us.
Like
it's
every single
normal.
car?
Yeah, every day we have to remove seats. It's a rule to make a good interior.
The customers want it.
Yeah, sometimes we have to remove the floor too.
Remove the whole entire carpet.
Yeah.
And what is the reason for that?
Because somebody dropped coke or maybe puke in so
And they don't want just the top clean, they want everything clean.
No bad odors. What do you say odors? No bad odors. Odors.
Okay.
Yeah.
So why can't you just like put the seat all the way up and clean under it and put the seat all the way back and try to clean under it?
Because we want to get in the, I don't know, in the carpet
Okay.
Because I drop coke there inside. We have to vacuum to clean this area, so
Okay.
it was necessary.
Well, how far do you go? I mean, you can start taking this up and this up. Do you start taking plastics off? And
Yeah, if we have to disassemble.
You have to disassemble everything.
Yeah.
There's times that they actually disassemble the whole thing, even the carpet out, everything, even the dash, everything. They take everything out.
Okay, so
leaves
you're-
it all to metal.
your interior detail, you clean all the plastics, the rubbers, the vinyl, and everything. You take the seats out, shampoo the carpets and everything.
Yeah, everything it's included.
How much does that cost?
How much? It starts on $80.
$80?
Yeah.
How much in soles?
320 soles. And it takes 6 hours.
6 hours?
Yeah, but if we
One
have
person usually?
one person, yeah.
Okay.
If we have to remove the floor, maybe 2 days. Remove plastics,
That's extra though.
that's
If you
extra.
got to remove the floor.
Yeah. I mean the double the price.
Okay. Okay.
That's it.
Nice.
When the customer comes back to pick up the vehicle, they actually go see under the carpet,
Yeah.
see if they
So the customer will actually
Yeah.
like look.
They look. So sometimes customers write us, please send me pictures
Yeah.
without the seats.
Okay.
Yeah.
So they okay.
To be sure the clean was perfect.
Is that or is that just Monky Detail, or is that everybody in Peru does the same thing?
That's
the same thing.
one of the reasons why, because I mean, a lot of people are actually familiar with that kind of detail. When they see cleaning interior detail, they see in their mind taking the seats out, so
Yeah.
they're all used to the mentality. So customers like, if you don't take the seats out, you're not cleaning the car.
Culture.
Yeah, culture. Yeah. Also, we remove the seat belts.
Really?
Yeah, to degrees to clean it
Okay.
the correct way. It's also a rule. You have to clean the seat belts.
Okay.
Sometimes customers go as deep as remove the carpet and then clean all the metal,
Yeah.
the frame, everything with brush, dirt, and they want you to record it so they can see it.
Ceramic coated?
Yeah, no.
Not that far, but everything from cleaning it.
Yeah.
We'll teach you the $10,000 detail. How many soles is that?
40.
40,000 soles.
No, 40 soles. 1,000 no.
Yeah.
40 soles.
Yes.
Yes.
Cool, man. Thank you.
It's the easy way to.
Yeah. I suppose if you do it every day, I mean, it's 4 bolts, 1 wire connection, and it's out.
Yeah.
You can probably take everything out in 5 minutes,
Maximum.
and then maybe you save time not messing with the seat and everything. All right. I like it.
It's the way that we do this in Peru.
All right, what do you think of that new standard? I don't know. It might save time. If you did it every day, just take the seat out, 5 minutes, easier to work, faster.
They each is used.
Back seat, do you take the back seat out too, or no?
Yeah.
Yeah, back seat comes out too? What do you think, Dave?
I'm with it. I don't know. People think it's a liability, but I don't see a problem torquing 4 bolts.
Yeah.